Hello dear viewers, I hope you good. Today we have something truly special to discuss. Top 3 most valuable coins worth that could be in your pocket change. Listen dear friends, if you don't have a single coin, still watch the whole video. Maybe one day you will have all the coins, then you find real coin value. Stay connected with us and we will tell you what is true. Start now. Coin number.
The 1992 South Africa 50-cent coin boasts not only a stunning design, but also carries a tale of historical importance. Today, we will tell you in this video what is the value of the coin, which you are considering as useless, as a numismatic artifact from 1992. This coin encapsulates an important period in South African history. It was minted just 2 years after Nelson Mandela's release from prison, and symbolizes the country's transition towards democracy and reconciliation. Owning this coin allows us to connect with the hope and triumph of that transformative era. When determining the value of the 1992 South Africa 50-cent coin, its condition plays a vital role. Look for coins with sharp details, original luster, and minimal wear to secure higher valuations. Professional coin grading services like the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation (NGC) or the Professional Coin Grading Service (PCGS) can provide expert opinions on condition and authenticity.
What is worth?
As of a circulated South Africa 1992 50-cent coin in average condition is valued around $97.44 according to PCGS. Keep in mind that this value can fluctuate over time, however the market is dynamic. So stay updated.
I hope you understand. Subscribe Zikzok Coin Action for more update. Coin number.
The 1997 South Africa 20-cent coin is not just a piece of metal. Today we'll tell what is the value of it. You'll be surprised to see this and reveal its current value in the market. Listen dear viewers, minted nearly 3 years after the fall of apartheid, the 1997 South Africa 20-cent coin represents a significant milestone in the nation's history. It reflects the spirit of reconciliation and unity that South Africa embraced during its transition towards a democratic society. Owning this coin allows us to cherish and celebrate the triumphs of a nation emerging from a challenging era. Start now. Market value and pricing. Valuing the 1997 South Africa 20-cent coin depends on several factors, including rarity, demand, and condition. Keeping an eye on market trends, consulting reputable coin dealers, and exploring online platforms can help you gauge its current pricing and ensure a fair transaction. Remember, consider the historical significance of this coin when assessing its overall worth. When determining the value of the 1997 South Africa 20-cent coin, its condition plays a crucial role. Seek out coins with sharp details, original luster, and minimal signs of wear. To secure higher evaluations, professional coin grading services, such as the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation (NGC)
or the Professional Coin Grading Service (PCGS), can provide expert opinions on the coin's condition and authenticity. Current market value.
As of a circulated South Africa 1997 20-cent coin in average condition is valued around $95.13 according to PCGS. If you have uncirculated or proof grade specimens, their value can be significantly higher, ranging from $250.31 to $274.17.
Coin number.
Exploring the 1991 South Africa 10-cent coin. Beyond its monetary value, the 1991 South Africa 10-cent coin holds a rich history and incredible aesthetic appeal. In this video, we will closely examine its intricate design, shed light on its cultural significance, and discuss its value among collector, worldwide value and rarity. While the face value of the 1991 South Africa 10-cent coin may seem modest, its worth extends far beyond. Due to its limited mintage and relative scarcity in circulation, this coin has become increasingly sought after among collectors. However, it is important to note that the condition of the coin plays a significant role in determining its value, so be sure to carefully assess its state before making a purchase.
Now tell on my viewers, what is market value?
To determine the market value of the 1991 South Africa 10-cent coin, it's important to consider various sources such as reputable coin dealers' online platforms and current market trends. Keep in mind that prices can fluctuate over time, so conducting thorough research is essential for
making informed decisions. Remember, the historical significance of this coin also adds intangible value to its worth. Thanks for coming to the Zikzok coin action. Take care, lovely friends.